So lot of pupils are confused how to install the battle discord, the modification from your discord. Like you can see here the better discord. So it's easy to uninstall guys this, but you cannot uninstall from here, or even you cannot uninstall it from control panel. There is no better discords application or modification tool. And also if you search it in applications, where you can mostly uninstall all the applications, it's not even available over here. So the method to uninstall it from the installer, just download the better discord again and then double click on it. Once you double click on it, I accept the license agreement, click on next, and now you can see here uninstall better discord, repair better discord, and install better discord. So we are going with here the uninstall better discord. Just select this option, click on next. Now select the upper discord destination and then again uninstall. That's it. It's easy to uninstall, but for that you need to installer. Now automatically your discord will be restarted, and then you can simply go into the settings. You can see there's no anymore better discord. So I hope you guys like this video. This video is really helpful for you. See you in the next video. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.